Hey everyone! Today I'm sharing a simple 5-step routine that will help you glow up your face in just 1 week. These steps are easy, affordable, and perfect for anyone who wants fresher, brighter, and healthier looking skin. Let's start. Step 1. Deep Clean Reset. Begin your glow up with a clean base. Wash your face with a gentle cleanser to remove oil and dirt. If your skin can handle it, exfoliate once today to remove dead skin and reveal a smoother layer underneath. This gives your skin a fresh start for the week. Step 2. Hydrate and nourish. Next, focus on hydration. Apply moisturizer on damp skin to hold water better. Use a hydrating serum if you have one, or simply drink more water and eat one hydrating fruit a day like papaya, cucumber, or watermelon. When your skin is well hydrated, it naturally looks soft and glowing. Step 3. Morning protection. Sunscreen is a must for glowing skin. Even if you stay indoors, sunlight still affects your skin tone. So every morning, follow a simple routine. Cleanser, moisturizer, then SPF. This keeps your skin bright, even-toned, and protected throughout the week. Step 4. Night repair routine. At night, keep your routine gentle. Cleanse your skin and use something soothing like aloe vera or a basic serum. Spend just 2 to 3 minutes massaging your face in upward motions. It boosts circulation and helps your face look fresher by the next morning. Good night care equals faster results. Step 5. Glow Mask Day. On the final day, give your skin a glow boost. Use a sheet mask or a simple DIY mask like honey plus yogurt to add shine and softness. This step helps your skin look calm, smooth, and naturally radiant after the whole week. And that's your 5-step face glow-up routine for 1 week. Try it out and let me know how your skin feels after day 7. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more glow-up tips.